Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. This is the box for it. It is batteries for my Ryobi. So I have Ryobi stuff here, and these, instead of getting the official ones, you have now the option of getting these. Look at this one here. It says 18 volts. It's got the little button you can push on the front. That will tell you how much battery it has. This one here already has 3 out of 4. So it looks like it's going to be good. It's a 3.8 amp hours. So it is going to be way more than something like this. Is only 1.5, so this is going to be even longer lasting than the original. So we'll just put it on here, and there we go. We have it. It works, so it's pretty sweet. And it comes with 1, 2. Looks like we have 2 batteries in here of the same kind here. This one here is another 3.8 amp hour one. We have a charging cable here. Looks like we are able to charge it through this type of plug, so we can plug it into our Ryobi charger if we want to, or we also have now, I guess, the option of charging it through that one there, wherever that would go. I'm not even sure. And then we have this little tester here. Oh, here's the little charger. Oh my gosh, that's great. So this is the charger here. So we can put this on here, plug it in. Oh, there you go. Nobody can see it there. And then charge it with this instead of having to carry around our whole big charger now. We can just carry around this one here. So this will be our portable one here. How cool is that? That's awesome. So now I'll be able to just charge on the go with this one here. So it looks like it says it's for the 18 volt battery. So that's going to be cool. So I'll be able to just charge right like that and plug it in. So very cool. Nice little setup here, and seems to work just fine in my impact driver, but this is the thing that uses the most power. So totally cool. Thumbs up for sure.